Alright, so I was playing with the 661 again this morning. I fixed my intake with some epoxy and noticed that my transfer ports were not the same all the way around, and it took me a long time, but I got those all suited up and fixed up and shaped a lot nicer than I had done before. And I definitely noticed a difference on the throttle response, and at least that, yeah, it looks great. I'll show it to you real quick and I'll shut her down. Way better. I mean, yeah, now I just get to see how she does in the cut, but I'm definitely happy with how it acts when I start it, tune it, and pull the throttle.